everybody, welcome to my channel, Coffeeaholic. How are we all doing today? Hope all is well. It's Saturday. So today we want to try, what is it called again, Jason?
Pineapple zip.
Pineapple zip. And it's a juice and we are starting juicing. Never used the Power XL before, so wish me luck. Don't know if I know how to operate the machine. But anyway, my niece is gonna help me. She's gonna assist with this juicing. So what we have here, Eva?
Pineapple zip. We are going to make pineapple with the ingredients and some grapes and some
Cantaloupe. So we got pineapple, grapes, cantaloupes. All right, so let's start. Doesn't matter, you can go in any order you want to go. So since we start with the grapes, we're just gonna continue with the grapes. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Oh. What you have in there, Eva?
Auntie Angela, what does this happen? A pineapple watermelon?
Guys, you gotta get creative sometime. You know, I don't know what it is.
With this cantaloupe we got.
Alright, so let's try this. I'm gonna turn it
Oh,
Whoa, look at that.
how did it turn pink?
It's grape. Pink grape is what? Pink
I
grape?
will go and bring that whole thing out.
So, I'm gonna add some more, but alright. We're gonna make it like a serving. So we got the grapes. That's the grape here. Uh-oh. So we're gonna try some pineapple. It's like half of a pineapple. The kids don't want to try something sweet. Oh my. Let's try turn it on, guys. Don't wish me luck. I don't know what I'm doing here. Alright.
God forbid get her break.
Get ready to help me. Woo.
You can make that thing break.
My God. Alright, let's try this. I'm just gonna throw this out. Put this here. Promise, guys, this is my first one. I should be getting better.
Whoa.
Look at that. This is only speed 1.
Whoa.
This is fun.
Alright, I would say this is enough because this has the grape one.
Oh, this is really awesome.
That's a ton more than the grape.
Yeah.
Cantaloupe time.
Cantaloupe time. Okay.
This amount.
That was a
this
crazy
amount,
ending, right?
This amount. Right. Small,
Medium.
medium,
Don't make it fall.
then large.
So it's like half of a cantaloupe I'm using. Yeah, the more cantaloupe you put, I think the sweeter it will,
sweeter.
right? It will be sweeter. Since it's for you guys, let's try this.
Hopefully the pineapple one tastes good and the grape.
Yeah.
It's gonna get mixed together anyways, though.
Okay, let's see now. Turn it back on. Oh my gosh.
Good, good, good. Stop,
Whoa.
stop, stop, stop. Stop it. It's good. So good. Wait, what's that one? What's the orange one?
Hmm?
What's the orange one? Cantaloupe.
That's the one that I gave you. Cantaloupe. We have more. Oh.
I don't think to put any more. No, 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 no.
You don't want no more?
No, that's be too much. It will overflow.
It's gonna overflow.
Well, let's put it in a different color than you want to.
You think it's gonna overflow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
They said it's gonna overflow. Let's see. Let's see. See that? That's what you call skills. It didn't overflow.
Put it out, put it out.
All right, guys.
You can
These
put
are
on the
three.
little mouse.
Juice, pineapple juice, cantaloupe,
Ooh,
and grape.
pineapple juice.
Grape is pretty awesome.
The grape is
So,
like
is there
cherry.
any? There's no order to put it in, right, Jason?
No.
Okay, so which? Go ahead, pour it in.
We pour this one in,
Whichever way you want to pour.
and it was.
It's gonna spill. Oh.
Okay.
Can I put it in? Next one?
Next one.
Ew.
You want your brother to help you?
No.
All right, let him do some.
Ew, Jake.
He's gonna drop it.
Don't drop it.
That's really glass.
All
I
right,
got it.
you got it.
I put it right in the slipper.
Do it over there.
Now the floor is slippery. It smells so good.
Wow, what more nicer than this? Fresh juice that the kitties can help you.
Life can't get better than this.
They are
I want
wonderful.
Are we done?
Are we done?
Comment down
No,
below.
look, you still have that. Watermelon.
Yeah, that's
That
a
looks
good
like
shade.
watermelon.
You just rinse out this. Oh, you knocked on my
Yo, watermelon? What the heck do you even call that?
Pineapple, watermelon, decoration. We should put googly eyes and put a mouth
Okay,
and
guys.
then be cool. Like how
Let's finish this up. Have some ice. Kevin, would you like to try some?
it might taste yucky. But I would like, you know.
Didn't it spill last time?
No, that's because there was the juice, not the eyes. I'm getting the baby cup. I'm getting the baby cup. Oh, I'm gonna get this one.
Okay, guys, turn around. Turn around, turn around. And you guys taste
Everybody
it.
Cheers. Cheers.
How does it taste?
1 out of 10. I mean, no.
Jacob, how does it taste?
1 out of 10.
Jacob, how does it taste?
100.
No, it tastes good or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes good. Yummy? How does it taste?
So good. I want to drink this one.
Okay, I'll drink it out. How does it taste? Can you taste the pineapple?
Yeah, it tastes really good.
Yeah, you
I
taste
taste
the
the
grape?
pineapple, the grape. I taste the pineapple, grape, and a little bit more of
Pineapple grape. Cantaloupe.
yeah,
A hint of the cantaloupe. But it's natural sweet, right? So you guys gonna give up soda for this? No.
I already did.
Oh, I tried. Yes, he drank a lot of water, but I tried. We're not quite there yet with the soda, but would you guys give up your Capri Sun for this? No. I gotta work on it. I have to work on it. All right, guys? So,
I give me yes.
okay, what's the name of this recipe again, Jason?
Pineapple zip.
So this is a
Pineapple zip.
pineapple zip. We use like half of a pineapple. You know, depends on your taste. I think like 40 grapes and half of a cantaloupe. And they said it's yummy. So thank you guys. Like I said, it's my first time. Next time, I hope I'm better. Thank you guys all. Until next time.